Welcome to our guide on setting up recurring payments to vendors using Docyt Check and Docyt ACH. First, log into your Docyt account. Click on the Accounting tab and select your business name. Go to the Expense Management drop-down menu, choose Accounts Payable, and then select Payment Rules. Click on the blue plus button and choose Add Recurring Payment Rules. Click on the Payment Method drop-down menu and select the type of automatic payment. When choosing a ACH payment, enter the payment details. Receiver, amount, expense category, payment method. Note, date. When choosing Docyt Check, enter the payment details. Receiver, amount, expense category, payment method, check memo, payment address. Note, date. Select the payment date and the frequency of the recurring payment. Review all the details for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click on the Activate Recurring Payment button. You have successfully set up a recurring payment. To view your recurring payments, navigate to the Payment Rules in your Accounts Payable module. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our Out of Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.